I don't think you would have seen that. Um, Correct, the image repository. And for this, we were just talking that login, right? It's your Enlighten login credentials. So if you don't have an Enlighten account, you need to get it created. Maybe contact Enlighten team, Sarthak, or I don't know anyone else. Yeah, if it's a SSO Enlighten login, I think it's the same. Let me share that link, the library link, and it should work. 1 second. I'll put it in chat also, and let me share my screen. You can hear me properly, right? Okay. Let me share my screen. I just logged in like 10 minutes back. I was showing it to Rajesh, so just got logged in. Okay. Let me click on home. Yeah. Just check once. And also when you log in, right, your account will be registered as employee, which is, I think, only like read and download access. So I'll have to request to Ken to give you the admin access. So to upload assets and stuff that I'll do. But I just want to show you how the tool works and how to upload assets. Uh, just log, but you log in and check. If not, because you need to again create the Enlighten account, fill the form. I think it'll take some time. So ah, do you see this upload? Yeah. You don't see that. Correct, correct. Okay, then I'll ask Ken to give you that access. Okay. Yeah, so this is the home page, and you can see the banners. It's all like customized, okay, and you can also change it, change the or add a new image, link, and everything to each of these styles. Even these styles can be removed, and a new tile, for example, any new product, IQ8 can be added here. Anything can be done. Even all these links can be edited. It's almost similar to the website, but right now it's like everything is done, so I don't think we'll get any requests for all these. Maybe in the future when they redesign everything. But the frequent request we get is to upload assets. So when you click on assets, you see a lot of them, right? So, and also there are filters here. So location, all the regions are mentioned, countries there, languages there. For example, if I select NA, I don't know why the country is coming. Countries are coming. Yeah, these are all the NA assets. So you can filter it by topic, by type. These are brochures, emails, images, logos, posters, presentations, everything. By product, audience, end user, or the tags you can add for each of the image you upload. So by that also you can filter it out, and some advanced search is also possible. Okay, so every time we get a new request to upload assets, we need to get the approval from Ken if it can go up in the library. If he approves it, then I click on upload media here, and maybe let me select yeah, one document. So this is the screen you get once you upload assets. Actually, you can upload multiple assets also. It will take, if your service speed is good, it will take like 20, 30 documents also together. Yeah. So here, what I showed you, right? All the filters that you need to add here. So the name, you can edit it here, and then the type. You see if it's a brochure, guideline, image, you'll know when the request comes, right? So, or you can check with the requester. So you add these tags, then topic, everything. Just need to choose. That's all. Everything is done actually. Yeah.
So basically, Shama, we just need to upload the documents when we get a
Correct.
request.
Correct.
And
Documents, images, guidelines, brochures. You'll get different types of files to upload. Just need to
okay,
upload them and tag it properly so that it appears in the assets in a correct way.
okay, got it.
That's the regular task for this.
Okay, got it.
Uh, yeah, this is the energy router which will be uploaded to Doc Center. I was just showing you this. Okay. So not this one, but for example, these brochures, right? This will go here. So the requester would know. I mean, they'll discuss it, and the guideline will come, so that we'll have to upload it to library only. So those data sheets and other QIGs, those will not come. That will go to document center only. For example, these kind of brochures that they use for sales, sales and marketing. So these things will be downloaded by installers and they will give it to their customers like that. Yeah, some are for installers and some are for homeowner brochures. They are also there. Yeah, mostly images, brochures would come. And yeah, you just click on upload media and add an asset. And then click on, when you add every thing, you can click on store selected files. You see the button. Huh? Store selected files. You see this blue button in the screen below? Are you able to see me? Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
Amrita.
just add the tags and just hit it on this. I think you can upload like all the assets at once. It will work. So if you add it here, the type and topic and everything, it gets added to only one file you add. But if you start updating it here, it will change it to everything. You see, 1 second. Let me add one more asset and show. Let me add multiple. One second. Yeah, so we added two documents here. So if you update the tags here, you can update it for individually, but here also in the left side, you see the black bar, right? So, for example, the documents will be for the same country and most of the tags will be similar. So you can add them, like update them here and only the name you can change it here. So that will be easier when you add end user here, it just changes in all the files you add. For example, type, email, country, region, everything is there. Select any country would come, United States. everything like that. And there is one more here, tags, you see, right? So for example, if it's an IQ8 launch, you can add IQ8 or any other specific things they are requesting. You can just put it as tags here so that when they search for that keyword in the asset page, that will come up. I think this is pretty much it. There is a lot in the back end, but for the regular request, these are the things that we do. But let me show you. Just next to my name, you see the settings button, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can click on, if you click on home page, you see look and feel, news management, add news, quick links. So these are the ones we saw in the home page. So you can edit them each by clicking on that. When you click on home page, sorry, see news management. Yeah, you see all this, right? You can delete them or change the caption, or if at all the request comes. When you start exploring, I think it'll be very easy. But I'm just showing, like, everything will be under the settings button. The home page edit will be done through this home page, and taxonomy is all these filters you see under assets, right? Type, product, all those things can also be edited, and if they need one more filter, that can also be done. For example, this meta property management, smart filters, tags, everything is related to this. I'm just giving a brief because when you start only you'll get to know better. And reporting, we have never used until now, but I think when you go to analytics, you can see how many downloads of the image or the file have been done. And the other thing is this users and rights. Let me show you this. This is where we provide access to people, but I think now everything is with Ken. So yeah, we don't need to do anything here. Initially, I used to give access to people, but now it's all with Ken. So yeah, we have different types of access. We have installers, employees, admin, etc. So these are all the installers you see here, right? I think Ken will give you. Let me show you. Yes. Yeah, these are the different types we have, right? Employees, installers, power users, admins. I think either administrator or power user access you will get. Yeah. So it's like we don't need to provide access also now. Whenever installers or employees just log in through their Enlighten SSO credentials, right? Their account will be created here. Only this admin access and power user access that needs to be created later. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Let me, do you want to know anything else? So majorly it's all uploading assets as of now. Only maybe like once in 6 months or like whenever, very rarely the like updating the home page or adding a new tile would come. Otherwise, it's all adding assets. Huh. Yeah, one sec, let me share my then- So right now there's no ticket like the for web ticketing is not there, but I think Ken will add this also to the web request portal. But right now it's just in the email they'll send the documents. That's all. Where is this? I can't find it. I think he has created the ticket also now. I think Ken asked him to see put assets on brand portal. This is Jira ticket, is it? Okay, then I think Ken asked him to create the ticket also. Then it will come through the ticketing system. So no need to worry. There'll be just they'll put the documents in the email or now it's the ticket, right? I think in the Jira portal only they'll give you a link to the SharePoint or the documents directly they'll put it there. It says uploaded to brand portal. Yeah. Oh, okay. I think Ken asked him to create it maybe, but why does it go to small? So it's like a combined portal where they also see it and you also check, right? Oh, I think he got confused. Yeah, add me for now. Okay, so in that ticket, he given the images? Yeah, let me check now. I do have access. Let me open that. I haven't opened the tickets. It's taking a lot of time. Uh, I don't see the image. Images are attached. Yeah, like this. He has directly attached the images, or sometimes they'll give the SharePoint link. Just need to download them all and upload it to library. Yeah, yeah. Because I used to know them, so I have never asked them to do that. But I think once you take over, I'll just ask Ken to, communicate it to the people that they need to provide all the taggings. Or like once the request comes in, you can also put a comment asking for what tags you need. Yeah, yeah. For example, this is IQ8, right? and the country is mentioned as Germany. So I would know that the country is Germany and it's a product and it's an image. So most of the things you would know when you click on this. Let me show you. Yeah, type you would know. Type is image, correct? And next is topic. Topic is ads, case studies, comparison. This is a product IQ8. So just click on product, and then user is external. They would have mentioned it. Like most of the launch and everything is external only. Only if it's for employees, they would specifically mention it's only for employees. Otherwise, it's all external only because we are doing it for installers and homeowners, right? So external, and region is Europe, EMEA, because it's Germany, and you add country as Germany. Language German. Yeah, this is a PDF, so it's showing PDF, but it'll show images. I think that's all. And here you have tags. You can add IQ8 as a tag. So you would know everything. The country type product, when you see it, right, you would know. Only if you don't know, just ask them only. That's all. Yeah. So, which one? Audience? Correct. These are all like required. Yeah, you have to add it. Only when you add everything, it will get stored. Yeah. I will, that I'll show. So one more thing is, when you do this, right? What have they asked? Let me check. Yeah, this is just uploading assets, right? So you just need to upload them and just share the assets link. That's all. Major asset link, they will know. They can filter it by region and search for it. But for example, sometimes, there will be creation of collection. Maybe if he had requested us to create a collection for IQ8 launch, collection means everything related to one particular topic will be grouped together. So you see collections here, right? So I click on collections and you see IQ8 series microinverters, IQ battery promotion kit for Switzerland. So these are all some collections. So when you click on that, all the products related to that and PDFs or anything related to that will come up here, and we can share this link with the team. Okay, so, but he has not requested for us to create any collection. It's just adding it to the library. So we just upload them and it will come here in the top. So the recent ones will come on top. And just share that link. That's all. But if the requester asks you to create a collection, you first upload all the assets and then just select them all. Okay. And then you can click the plus mark, add to collection. When I click on that, you can select the collection which is already created, or you can create a new collection. Got it, right? Uh, no, there is no one right now. You send it to Ken. That's all.
So Ken
Ken
will
will
only
approve.
approve it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Ken will approve it, and once it's approved, you can share it with the requester. And there's not many things to go wrong here, right? Only the taggings and uploading assets. So it's not like website where there will be errors or link errors or and PDFs are already approved from the team. We need to upload it and that's it. So I don't think there'll be much errors, but yeah, just get it approved from Ken and send it to the requester. That's all.